Yo, what's up, boys? It's your boy Decade says back with a new video on Rain.gg. I have 500 coins in the balance. We're gonna try to round it up. If you guys want to support me on Rain, when you go to the site, go to top, go to deposit, type in code DecadeCS, get a 5% bonus to the site. You get promo codes and free bottles in my Discord, and you enter have 500 coin weekly leaderboard. Three-way, crazy mode. Come on. If everyone's day is doing well, I'm just chilling here, recording type shit, you know. Hopefully we can come out with some WE profits today. 25 Logan, 25. GGE at the end. Also guys, if you want to join my code, you get access to my everyday promo codes and free bottles. I want to make my code the most rewardable for everyone. And because I'm small, it's hard, but if you use my code, and I'll really appreciate me. I really appreciate it. So I can make more free bottles for you guys. And also you can win some extra free gems in the leaderboard. If you guys are here this far in the video, drop a comment what your favorite case on Rain is, and I'll run it next video. Okay, that's ass. It's okay. Dog shit. These last case matter. Nothing pulls. This is paying really bad. We need my case to pull off here. Come on. No. What is it? What is it, bro? What is it? This is not good. Oh my god, it's a fucking bayonet, bro. It's so fucked. 800. Holy. That is cooked. That is so cooked, boys. 106 coins. 102 coins, sorry. If we lose this, we're gonna go all in. Whatever happens, happens, you know. Hopefully we don't lose this though. Nothing. 5% case, pretty hard hit. Bunker swag. This is the case that I don't like to add, but it's a good case because... Okay. Okay. Show us like fucking 2k gold, please. Okay, that's 100 or something, right? 280, okay. Jargo, come on, please. We win. W, fucking 400. We take that every day, boys. Come on. We're back to break even now. We're at 530. We're up 30 coins. Also, boys, if you ever open my case on Rain and you pull something nice, you can post it in my Discord, so I can check it out. And whoever pulls the top out of my case will get a tip from me on Rain. That's what I said. That's why I trust everyone. Okay, nice. That's a good hit. 30. This is 5% rifles. Pretty fucking good. Want to see a fucking imminent danger? Poseidon, fucking... Not Poseidon, what am I saying? Okay, that's 400, right? Pretty sure. 411. Take that every day. Wasted wagers. Not paying. BCX. Not doing it either. HyperX. Nothing. Metal Monkey. Okay, nice. Show us upfade. Come on, upfade, or some fucking gold. Come on, gold. We take that, boys. That's 1k. 1.3. We take that every day. My case. Oh, okay. No, it doesn't matter. Bro, that pays. That fucking pays, boys. Pays fucking 600 each. We do that every day. Holy. Up fade in that. Fucking, we're up to 889 coins. Fuck me. I'm gonna do one last battle. And then we're gonna call it there. We'll do 2v2. We'll do some of the more expensive ones. We'll do this. My case, Dadosh. Precision. Nanotech. We'll do like one more for 100. We'll do ventilated for 100. This is a big battle, but it can pay massive. 400 coins, boys. We start off with my case. Show us the rain spin left side, please. Okay, nothing. Dadosh. Nothing there. Auto attack, nothing. Come on, please. Float. Left side, come on. Oh shit, this is bad. This is bad, boys. This is like butterfly, guaranteed butterfly. Just be a red, please. Oh no, that's like 2k. 1.2, 1.3, fuck. That's something. 150. Easy hit in the last case, boys. And we don't. And we don't. I'm gonna run it all in, boys. Let's do like this all. We'll do new. We'll do mine. We'll do voodoo, bird, fluffy aimers. Can we afford this? Yeah, we can. We'll run this in 3-3. All in, boys. Basically all in. We have 50 coins left. Hopefully we can get a fucking insane win here. Mike is starting off the decade CSKs. Come on. Okay, nothing here. Fluffy aimer. Damn, that's 200. Come on, boys. Come on, please. This is paying so bad. No, we're so cooked. Needs to hit in the last case. Okay, that's how much is this? Okay, last case, please, top side, come on. No. Alrighty, boys. That's gonna be the end, probably. Put it on green, see what happens. Yeah, that's gonna be the end, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, like, drop a comment, and try and get me to 2.5k subs by the end of the year. Also, if you want to support me again, go to the top and drop my code in the referral code. You get 5% bonus to site, and you enter my 500 coin bi-weekly leaderboard. So yeah, I hit green second spin. Of course, man. I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.